Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It's only going to be a quick one because Bitcoin has hardly moved, even though a lot of the altcoins have moved quite significantly today, or actually it was yesterday because it's already after the daily candle close here in the UK. Well, UTC time has closed candle, so daily candle for Bitcoin. Let's actually take a look. What did happen? What did occur? So let's zoom in, and it looks like we had a bit of a red candle, but it basically an indecision candle. You can see that if I zoom in a little bit, we closed the candle within this pattern, within this ascending broadening wedge. Long wick to the downside, long wick to the upside. Shows the volatility today, well, yesterday actually, and it shows that the market moved not really in any significant way. Now, this could be some kind of an Elliott Wave triangle here, but it could be a lot, to be honest. Don't really want to focus too much on the micro level here, because then people will think it is very stable, which is not. So the micro levels, they change quite often. What I really want to emphasize here is that it's a bit strange that Bitcoin hasn't really moved. A lot of the altcoins have dropped quite significantly into the support areas communicated earlier today in the member-only opportunities video. But Bitcoin is holding stable. Bitcoin hasn't touched the support area. Bitcoin is just moving up, or at least consolidating sideways. So what I want to do, I want to highlight here the next targets, and I want to highlight the level above which, if we break above that level, that I do not expect another drop in this wave 2. Then I will see these support areas as not being relevant, because the market would then move into a different structure in which we will not make any substantial retracements anymore on the way up, for the time being at least. And I will talk about that level. What is the level for Bitcoin that I want to see break, so that I will take off these support areas, because they will then not be relevant. I mean, what I mean is at the moment we're looking for a pullback. I think a pullback is due. It was quite obvious to me that a pullback is due, because we have a 5-wave move to the upside basically complete. Now that never means it couldn't extend out further, but an extension typically is rather less likely if we compare the two. The need basically for a pullback. A lot of the altcoins, as I said, even Ethereum did a bit of a pullback. Bitcoin didn't. Now, Bitcoin is caught in this, you could call it ascending broadening wedge. And I think this might be an ending diagonal in wave 5 of wave 1. So pullback is due, but if it breaks through certain levels, then we are probably not going to see a strong pullback. That's just important to understand. So again, the trend is up. Trend has shifted from a bear market downtrend into at least an uptrend. No confirmation yet that the bear market is over, but we have some strong indicators, right? And we talked about that in the previous videos, that we had 5 waves up, 3 waves down, 5 waves up. So it just indicates that the downtrend, or at least that new bear market lows, are now less likely. So at least for the time being, okay? So generally here in the very short term, the message that as long as we're holding 21,550, the focus can be on higher. Now, what are the levels if we break above these? What are the levels? If we break, then I will consider, no, not that. Then I will consider that we may not get a strong pullback any longer. So already gave you targets yesterday here for this sort of last wave to the upside. We had here the 28,225 level. That was, the market basically did hold that. Let me just adjust it slightly here. The market did hold that level, So target was basically reached. The first target here for this 5th wave. Next target would be 29,060. And then 30,500. And that is also the level, the 1-to-1 ratio here. Above that level, if we can go above that level, I will consider that we will not see any stronger pullback in wave 2. Bitcoin does this stuff sometimes. It's rather rare, but we should also not forget that based on my analysis, we are in a 3rd wave. The 3rd wave is typically the most bullish wave. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 down, and wave 3 is typically the FOMO wave. Let's see if this is going to play out. If the altcoin support areas are working out and we turn around, then we should start a wave 3 rally in the altcoin market shortly as well. But yeah, really just a short update. It's late already, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.